For today's experiment, we are going to be attempting to make fire using a lemon, zinc nails, copper nails, wire, and steel wool. The idea behind this is that we are essentially making a battery. The nails will be inside the lemon and connected by wire. The zinc nail will begin to oxidize due to the acid in the lemon, and the positively charged electrons then break apart from the zinc and move into the lemon. Now those electrons then need a place to go, so they'll move up through the zinc nail, out of the lemon, and they will travel through the wires that are attached to the copper nail. The copper nail naturally attracts electrons more, so that's the direction they will go, and this reaction creates an electrical current, which can be used to start a fire. So the first thing we're going to do is we soften up our lemon. That just gets the juices flowing, makes it easier to get the nails into. And next we will put our zinc nails into the lemon. Okay, so we've got 6 zinc nails, and then we will put our copper nails in another row. Now, I found it pretty hard to find anything copper when I was at the hardware store, so these are copper coated. I'm hoping that that will work just as well as anything that's pure copper. All right, so we have 6 and 6. Next thing I'm going to do is I am going to take the wires and connect the two. And you will connect from a copper and go diagonally to a zinc. It's important that you leave one of each type of nail on the end free, and on the opposite ends of each other. These nails are going to be left free to act as our anode and our cathode. The zinc nail that's left free will be our negative, while the copper nail that's left free will be our positive. So I'll be back in just 1 second after I wrap these wires. All right, so I have wrapped my wires. I've left 1 zinc nail free and 1 copper nail free. So what we're going to do is we're going to now wrap our rubberized wire onto these. Now I had some issues at the hardware store getting people to understand what I want. So we will see if these wires work. Okay. Now I'm going to bring you down, see if we can get any kind of spark here. And so you should be able to touch here in the steel wool. Yeah. Let's see. I have one other option here. Okay, so I tried to attach some other wire to see if this will make a difference. And it doesn't look like it does. So I had a feeling that I kind of had the wrong wire. You know, I went to Home Depot, I asked for rubberized wire, but that's not quite what they gave me. So I feel like that if I had had the right wires on the ends, that maybe I would get a better reaction. I also didn't use nails that were quite as big as they were using in the video, so that probably will make a difference in the amount of current I get. Also, the other issue could be that these copper coated nails might not have enough charge to get the electricity flowing.